Hi, Miss Estrada. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi mom, good day. I'm Caterina Joy Estrada, 32 years old from Cotabato City, and I'm single.
Do you have kids?
Yes mom, I have two sons, age of 10 and 12, and one daughter, age of 4.
How many siblings do you have?
I have three sisters, and I am the third child.
Okay, can you tell me about your educational background?
I am graduated of vocational course as a healthcare services.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
No, mom, but here in the Philippines, I have an experience as a house helper from February 2021 to 2024 at present. And my main task is babysitting of a newborn. I also help household work as cleaners, washing of clothes, cooking, marketing, and ironing and gardening.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, loving mother, and cheerful.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, mom, I have two tattoos at my arm and my back.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, mom.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to help my family and save money for the future of my kids.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, mom.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them calmly and I will tell them that I'm their friends and I'm willing to play with them.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, mom.